Did you know gardening promotes physical activity, reduces stress, and increases overall fitness levels? Hi, it's Drea, and if you're not growing a portion of your food, keep watching. It doesn't matter how much money you have, how little time, or how small a space you have. Growing food is for everybody, and I'm going to show you how. Imagine harvesting fresh pesticide-free vegetables from your backyard daily and how much money you could be saving literally off those high grocery bills. I have to mention that the energy and the overwhelming satisfaction that I get from gardening is what drives my passion. I started organically gardening using dried banana peels, coffee and tea grounds, and eggshells. And my vegetables still love that simple mix today. Organic vegetables have a greater nutritional value, providing you with a diet high in vitamins, antioxidants, and deliciousness. Organic gardening also benefits the environment by reducing water pollution. By working harmoniously with nature, you'll be directly contributing to a healthier planet. Vegetable gardening is not just about the financial benefits. It is a holistic experience that nourishes the mind, body, and soul. Homegrown produce could elevate your life. I hope you are ready to become a gardener. And if it's the off season where you live, this is the perfect time to get started. Start small, see the rewards, and each year grow your garden bigger and bigger. I'm looking forward to sharing my exclusive gardening video series that I'll be uploading weekly throughout the summer. I have been a gardener for as long as I can remember, and I still use the simple methods my father taught me when I was a child. So every single one of you can easily start today. Subscribe now for me so that you can make sure that you don't miss any of my step-by-step easy gardening tips from planning to choosing the right seeds, using containers, raised beds, and grow bags like you see here, fertilizing and nurturing your plants with care for maximum harvesting. This tiny garden that you're looking at has produced dozens and dozens of vegetable baskets. It produced food from June through October of last season. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.